So here it is, one of the moves I get requested a tutorial for the most ever since I posted myself doing it on Instagram. So you start off with feet parallel and bring one of them in the back of the other on its toe wheels. You are basically moving solely on your toe wheels in a C shape to get in front of the other. The point is to really accentuate that C by moving the direction your foot faces. It's what makes the move look weird. Once you get to the front, at the same time, your feet will switch positions and the front one will land flat and the back foot will get on its toe wheels to make the C shape and do the move all over again. You can see from the side view that the foot that is flat is slightly moving back as the other one moves forward. Make sure you are bending your knees when you're doing this move. And that's it. Once you've practiced it enough and feel comfortable, you can speed it up and do it really fast, which makes it look a lot cooler. If you try this out, don't forget to share it with me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. Please subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you guys next week for the next Footwork Friday video.